belongs to those who prepare for it. A very good morning to everyone. We, the students of class 4th B, are going to present a skit on parts of speech
and subject all over the world. As we know that English is the language of international communication. It is an official language in 53 countries and spoken as first language around 400 million people worldwide. It is one of the most formal languages in the world. It provides world of opportunities. A good command over English help us to express ourselves. Well, so let's meet English and her very dear children. More languages. I have 8 children who complete me. So let's all meet them. I am the first child of English. I am a noun. I am a name of person, place, things or animals. My friends are common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable and uncountable. My examples are
Sita.
Sita is my best friend. India is my country. Lion is the king of the forest. She can play guitar.
Hello everyone. This is Pranav, the second child of English. I replace my elder sister now. My examples are he is a good boy. She is a beautiful girl. It is a big ground. We are the students from ST.CLARET English Medium High School. I am the third child of English. My name is Verb. I am very active. Without me, no sentence is completed. My examples are eat, jump, walk, dance. It's adverb, the fourth child of English. I am a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies adjective and verb. You can easily recognize me as because I end with ly. My examples are
quickly, learn quickly. Gently, hold gently. Carefully, open carefully. Slowly, walk slowly.
Hello everyone, I am fifth child of English. I am adjective. I come almost before my siblings, noun and pronoun. I qualify and modify them. My examples are beautiful rose, tall building. Smart boy, black hair. This is preposition, the sixth child of English. I always come before my siblings that are noun and pronoun to show time, place, direction. My examples are on, we are standing on the stairs. In, we are in school. Out, we went out of the garden. Up, we went up the hill. Hello everyone, I am the seventh child of English. I am conjunction. I always join two words or two clauses or two phrases. My examples are N. I work quickly and carefully. I will go to beach or park. But I am hungry, but the fridge is empty. Hello everyone, I am interjection, the eighth child of English. I am a word or a phrase that is grammatically independent around the world. I am very expressive too. My examples are that looks so wonderful. Hooray! Hooray! It's time to go home. Hey! Come and look at this. Oops!
pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. These are the 8 parts of speech. 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 If you are here to know how to use the meech, we at Pro Ingenious are here to teach you all the 8 parts of speech. Let's learn the 8 parts of speech. A noun is the person, place, animal, or thing, like Eva in the garden with her cat on a swing. A pronoun takes the place of a noun, like he and she with their cat in the town. A verb is the action we do: sing, dance, jump, laugh. An adverb tells how an action is done, how loudly we shout, how fast we run. An adjective tells about a noun more, like a creepy night or a silent seashore. A preposition is nothing but the position, like being on the street or waiting at the station. A conjunction is the sentence glue, like Jack and Jill, pink or blue. An interjection shows surprise or emotion, like ouch, that hurts, or wow, so awesome. Yo yo yo, wasn't it fun? Let's quickly repeat what we just did learn. Yo yo yo, wasn't it fun? Let's quickly repeat what we just did learn. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. The parts of speech song, hip hop. 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 Hip hop. The parts of speech song, hip hop. The parts of speech song, hip hop. The parts of speech song, hip hop.